Stop chasing bigger shoulders. If you look narrow in a shirt, the problem isn't your delts. It's one muscle you've never trained on purpose. It's why you look slumped and small. 5 fixes today. And the last one matters most. Here's what's happening. You train the muscles you can see, chest, arms, front delts. So your body grows forward, your shoulders roll in. You look hunched and thin, even when you're strong. Coaches call this upper cross posture, and it wrecks how you look shirtless. Fix these 5 things, and you'll stand taller and look wider, without adding an inch of muscle. Think of it like this. Behind you is a wall of muscle you never see in the mirror. Your rear delts, your rhomboids, your mid and lower traps. I call it your back wall. When that wall is weak, nothing holds your shoulders up. They fall forward, and your whole frame collapses inward. Build the back wall, and it pulls you upright and open like a set of guy wires on a tent pole. 5 fixes. Here's the first. Fix 1. Stop training only the front of your body. Most guys push, bench, presses, curls, all the mirror muscles. But every push tightens your chest and rolls your shoulders forward. Do that for a year and you've literally trained yourself into a slump. Your posture gets worse the stronger you get. You build a strong body that carries itself like a question mark. Here's the fix. For every pushing set, do a pulling set. Match them 1-to-1. Rows, pull-aparts, anything that drags your elbows behind your body. The payoff? Your shoulders stop living in front of your chest. They settle back where they belong. And the second you fix that, you look wider in a shirt before you've built a single new pound of muscle. But rows alone won't save you. Here's why. Fix 2, learn to actually feel your back. Most guys row with their arms. They yank the weight, their shoulders creep forward, and their biceps do all the work. The upper back never turns on. So you row for months and stay flat and weak between the shoulder blades. The fix is boring, but it works. Slow down. At the top of every row, pause and squeeze your shoulder blades together, like you're pinching a pencil between them. Lighter weight, harder squeeze. Feel the muscle, don't just move the load. The payoff is thickness, a back that fills out your shirt from behind and holds your posture without you thinking about it. Now the next fix is the muscle nobody trains on purpose. This is the one. Fix 3, train your rear delts. This is the posture muscle almost every guy misses. Your rear delt is the back of your shoulder. Train it, and your shoulder becomes round and full from every angle. Skip it, and your delts look flat, narrow from the front, invisible from the side. No press builds it, bench doesn't touch it. That's why guys with big benches still look slumped and small. It's the most ignored muscle in the gym, and it might be doing the most to your look. The fix is 2 moves, face pulls and reverse flies. Lightweight, high reps, slow control. Chase the burn, not the numbers. The payoff is 3D shoulders, that capped wide look that makes your waist seem smaller and your frame seem bigger. This one muscle changes your whole silhouette. But there's still a fix most guys ignore completely. Fix 4, undo the damage you do all day. You train for 1 hour, then you sit hunched over a screen or a phone for 10. That constant forward slump tightens the front of your body and switches your back off. You're fighting your own gym work every single day. The fix costs nothing. A few times a day, stand up, pull your shoulders down and back, and open your chest toward the ceiling for 10 seconds. Stretch the front, wake up the back. The payoff is a body that stops defaulting to the slump, so you stand taller without even trying. Do this in every fix before it sticks. But the biggest one is still coming, the fix that pulls it all together. Fix 5, the big one, build your lower traps. Everyone trains upper traps with shrugs. Nobody trains the lower traps, the muscles that pull your shoulder blades down and back. Weak lower traps are why your shoulders sit shrugged up around your ears. It kills your neckline and makes you look tense and narrow. The fix is the Y raise. Lie face down, arms out in a Y, and lift them using your back, not your shoulders. Slow and light. The payoff is huge. Your shoulders drop, your neck looks longer, and your frame finally spreads out wide. This is the finishing piece of the back wall. But I've got one more thing for you, and it might matter most of all. So that's the 5. But if you do only one thing from this video, do this. Train your back twice as often as your chest. Most guys have it backwards. Bench 3 times a week. Back once, flip it. Hit your back wall 2 or 3 times for every chest day. Posture is a tug of war, and whichever side you train more, wins. Train your back more and you win by default. Upright, wide, and open all day without thinking about it. Here's your whole cheat sheet in one place. Screenshot this now. You'll want it in the gym. 1. Match every push with a pull. 2. Pause and squeeze at the top of every row. 3. Train rear delts with face pulls and reverse flies. 4. Reset your posture through the day. Stretch the front, wake the back. 5. Build lower traps with Y raises so your shoulders drop and your neck grows. And the bonus, train your back more than your chest. That's the back wall. Master it, and you look wider standing still than most guys do flexing. Now the rules. Break these and you undo everything. Rule 1, stop ego lifting your back. If you're swinging the weight, your arms are working and your back is watching. Lighter and slower always wins here. Rule 2, stop skipping face pulls because they look easy. Easy-looking moves fix the hardest problems. Rule 3, stop shrugging your traps up when you lift. Shoulders down, chest tall, always. Rule 4, stop training back once a week and calling it enough. It's the muscle you sit and crush all day. It needs more work, not less. Rule 5, stop expecting overnight change. Posture is a habit your body has held for years. Give it a few weeks of daily reps, and it holds the new shape on its own. Follow the rules, and there's a next level waiting. Once the back wall feels easy, level up. Start loading your back movements heavier, but keep that squeeze in control. Add rear delt rows and heavier face pulls. Then bring in the big pullers, pull-ups and weighted rows, done strict, to build real width and thickness. Now you're not just fixing posture, you're building the V-taper that makes shoulders look broad and your waist look tight. That's when a shirt stops hanging off you and starts filling out. That's the physique people notice before you say a word. If you made it this far, you're the type who actually fixes this. So type back wall in the comments. That's how I know who's serious, and I reply to those first. Then go watch the next one, the single arm exercise that adds width faster than curls ever will. Your frame's about to change.